Grandpa, what is a fraction? My third-grade grandson asked me. I looked at the book and cold sweat started to drip. I knew the answer, but I didn't know how to explain it. I felt defeated and told him to ask his dad. But now I have a secret tutor. It is the AI camera. Giving the answer is cheating, but explaining the principle is education. Here is how I became a math genius. Scenario 1, snap and solve. I took a picture of the difficult problem and asked AI, explain this step by step so I can teach a 10-year-old. AI wrote me a script instantly. First, let's count the apples. I just read it with confidence. Scenario 2, the pizza analogy. What is a fraction? AI suggested comparing pizza slices. 14 is a big slice, 18 is a small slice. My grandson understood immediately. Don't run away from homework anymore. Take out your phone, snap a picture, and be the smart mentor. Grandpa knows everything. Next time, let's dive deeper into their world with understanding Gen Z memes.